Hello friends, I am Saumil Patel and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be discussing the topic, the future of automation. Automation is not just shaping industries, but reshaping the very fabric of our technological landscape. I am very happy to be your guide on this journey into the cutting edge of technological innovation. Now, before we jump into the exciting prospects that we will see ahead, let's take a moment to reflect on how far we've come. From the early days of old machinery to the sophisticated systems we have today, the evolution of automation has been extraordinary. We've witnessed the rise of programmable logic controllers, PLCs, the integration of SCADA systems, and the march of artificial intelligence. These technological things have not only increased efficiency, but have become the backbone of modern industries. But where are we now? What are the latest trends, and how are they shaping our future? Today, we will explore the current state of automation, the emergence of technologies, and its impact on industries. We will also discuss predictions for the future world, where automation isn't just a tool, but an integral part of our daily lives. So, let's hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and let's go ahead on this thrilling journey into the future of automation. In 20th century, where programmable logic controllers, PLCs, made their debut, becoming the backbone of industrial automation. The evolution didn't stop there. It skyrocketed with the integration of supervisory control and data acquisition, SCADA systems, creating a dynamic duo for control processes. But it's not just about machinery, it's about intelligence. Artificial intelligence started making waves, and suddenly, machines weren't just following commands. They were learning, adapting, and making decisions. What we once considered science fiction is now our reality. The evolution of automation isn't just about nuts and bolts. It's about the convergence of digital minds and mechanical bodies, creating a synergy that is transforming industries. It's crucial to understand how these advancements aren't just technological upgrades. They're seismic shifts, reshaping the very foundations of industries. From manufacturing to healthcare, the impact is profound and, dare I say, revolutionary. As we navigate through this timeline, and as we immerse ourselves in the historical journey, keep your eyes on the road ahead. The past has set the stage for the present, and the present is the launchpad for the future. Because this is just the beginning of our expectation into the future of automation. Today, the state of automation is interconnected technologies. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics have become the power steering of innovation. It's not just about automating repetitive tasks. It's about creating intelligent systems that can learn, adapt, and optimize processes. One key player in this journey is the Internet of Things, IoT, where devices communicate seamlessly, creating a web of data that makes smart decisions. From smart homes to smart factories, the IoT is the invisible thread to our automated future. But let's not forget the backbone of modern automation, programmable logic controllers, PLCs, and supervisory control and data acquisition, SCADA systems. These unsung heroes are the architects of controls and complex operations. Now you might be wondering, how is this affecting industries today? Well, it's not just a technological upgrade, it's a revolution in efficiency. Manufacturers can optimize production. Healthcare professionals can access real-time patient data, and cities can become smarter and more sustainable. As we know these transformations, it's essential to understand the dual nature of automation, a force of innovation and a source of challenges. Cybersecurity concerns, ethical considerations, and the impact on employment are topics demanding our attention. Our first stop on this cosmic journey is edge computing. Imagine a world where data processing happens very fast and unlocking new real-time possibilities. Edge computing is the thing that will reshape how we interact with the digital world. Next is 5G technology. It's not just about faster internet on your phone. It's the backbone of a connected world where devices communicate at very fast speed. The impact of automation, especially in sectors like healthcare and manufacturing, are extraordinary. And speaking of connectivity, let's not forget the Internet of Things, IoT, evolving into the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT. It's not just about smart homes, it's about smart factories, smart cities, and smart everything. The IoT is the glue that binds the physical and digital worlds. As we immerse ourselves in these emerging technologies, remember, we are not just observers. We are participants in this grand technological evolution. Let's discuss the impact of automation on industries. Let's begin with manufacturing, the heart of industrial automation. Advanced robotics, AI-driven predictive maintenance, and streamlined production processes are blueprints for the factory of the future. Efficiency is no longer a goal, it's an expectation. Now let's zoom into healthcare. Telemedicine, AI-assisted diagnostics, and robotic surgeries are transforming patient care. The synergy of automation and healthcare is not just improving efficiency, it's saving lives and pushing the boundaries of what's medically possible. Smart cities are rising, powered by interconnected systems that optimize energy usage, enhance public safety, and create urban environments that respond intelligently to the needs of their citizens. As we navigate through these transformative impacts, it's crucial to acknowledge the challenges. Cybersecurity becomes paramount, ethical considerations emerge, and questions about the future of employment. The impact is not one-sided, it's a complex interplay of benefits and challenges. But here's the exciting part. We're not just witnesses, we're contributors. Industries are evolving, and our role is pivotal in shaping the responsible, ethical, and sustainable future of automation. In the current situation, powerhouse of change is artificial intelligence. AI isn't just a tool. It's the thing that enhancing our decision-making, predicting outcomes, and redefining the nature of work. Now picture a world where automation is integrated into every aspect of our lives. Smart homes, smart cities, smart everything. The vision is an ecosystem where automation isn't a luxury. It's a fundamental layer of our existence. Now I want to hear from you. What are your predictions for the future of automation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's engage in a conversation about the exciting possibilities that we will see ahead in our life. I hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the currents of innovation, evolution, and anticipation. Now, more than ever, it's evident that automation isn't just a technological evolution. It's a transformative force shaping the very fabric of our existence. From the old machinery of the past to the sophisticated systems of today and the promises of tomorrow. Before we wrap up, I want to say to all, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and become a part of our tech-savvy family. Now, I want to hear from you once again. What topics would you like us to explore in future videos? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's continue this conversation beyond the screen. So, until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and stay tuned for more tech videos right here on the channel, Automation by Saumil Patel. Thank you for being part of our tech exploration. Until next time, this is Saumil Patel signing off.